I've been seeing these FIFA World Cup 2026 explainer videos blow up everywhere right now, and one of them already crossed 600,000 views and monetized. The competition in this niche is still low, which makes this one of the best times to jump in, and the process behind it is way simpler than people think. So by the end of this video, you're going to know the exact workflow to go from a blank page to a fully finished faceless explainer video ready to post. 48 teams, 211 countries trying to get there, and almost every single region plays by completely different rules. That's the kind of video we're building today, and here's exactly how. The tools we're using are ChatGPT, Claude, 11 Labs, OpenArt, and CapCut, and together they cover the entire process from idea to finished export. If you want to follow along, everything I'm using is in the prompt document linked below. Start by opening the prompt document and copying the topic prompt. Paste that into ChatGPT and hit generate. This is the step most people skip, and it's the reason a lot of channels in this niche run out of ideas fast. ChatGPT will give you a list of viral style topics based on real angles people are searching for. I went with the weird qualification system behind the 2026 World Cup because it's specific, it's surprising, and it sets up a strong hook on its own. Now take that topic and go to Claude. Copy the scripting prompt from the document, paste it in, and add the topic ChatGPT gave you. Hit generate. What comes back is a full, structured script written in a hook-first, fast-paced explainer style. The detail in this prompt matters a lot because the more context Claude has about tone and pacing, the less editing you'll need to do afterward. Once your script is ready, head to 11 Labs and generate your voiceover from it. This is where the script actually becomes audio you can build a video around. Now go back to the document and copy the image prompt. Paste that into Claude as well, but this time include the script Claude just wrote for you. Generate, and Claude will write out a specific image prompt for every single sentence in your script. This is what keeps the visuals tied directly to what's being said instead of random stock style clips. Take those prompts to OpenArt image model and select ChatGPT image 2 model. You can directly use ChatGPT or Gemini Nano Banana 2 if you have subscription, and generate an image for each one. From here, bring your voiceover and all your images into CapCut and line them up so each image matches the line it was written for. Once everything's matched, add a subtle, real-style motion effect across the clips. This is what makes the video feel smooth instead of static, and it's a small step that makes a big difference in how professional the final result looks. Export, and your video is done. Now you can upload video on YouTube, and if you want to make thumbnails, watch this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.